I'm sure you have already downloaded the paper from NSE website on India VIX. As I said, that is a highly technical paper and you need not understand all of it. For the purpose of being an option trader, you must understand the basics and you must also understand that it exists and India VIX is published in the website of NSE India and it is always updated. Now in this study, I am trying to find out the movement of India VIX over last 1 year. Last 1 year data I have collected, and on the basis of that data, I am showing this projection. This data is from 29th February 2020 till the date of 23rd February 2021. Now you can take for example any other date also, any other series of dates. You have to understand the nature of India VIX. As you find out here, the India VIX in this period was hovering around 16.59. It went up to 83 and it slowly came down and down up to 18.89. It again went up to 25.21 and on the last date of this study it was hovering around 25.47. This is the end of the day data. Now you compare with this within the same period the movement of Nifty. On the first date of this study, Nifty was around 11,797 when volatility index went up to 83.6075 as you see here. Parallelly, the market came down to 7610.25 and then as and when the Nifty India VIX started coming down, the market also started going up. This is a rather simplistic presentation, but what I am trying to basically tell you is that I can try to find out a correlation between India VIX and Nifty, and that correlation with the statistical function available in Excel called Corel working out to be -69%. That means there is a negative correlation between the movement of Nifty and the movement of India VIX. So what does it basically say? It basically says that VIX or volatility index is basically a fear factor. When the price comes down, the market comes down, the VIX goes up, and vice versa. When VIX goes down, the market goes up, because if there is no fear in the market will slowly go up. Inherently, market tries to always go up because of the two reasons. Number one is forces of the capitalist system, and number two is inflation. So falling of Nifty, that to a large extent, would always depend on fear psychosis. In this case, what was the fear? The fear was COVID-related fear, COVID-related shutdown, which happened around this time, and accordingly the price came down and the volatility went up. Incidentally, this is the correct time to make investment in the long term. I am not talking of investment of derivatives, I am talking of investment in shares for the long term investor, because this is the time when the P ratio is low, and if you make investment in large cap companies around this time, you are sure to make a profit. There cannot be two ways. That is why my belief is always that you should look for opportunities, look for windows when the PE ratio is low, price is low. You make an investment and you make the killing. Incidentally, because of the business cycle phenomenon or the capitalist system, such situations will come almost every 5-6 years. Once in a while, you will get the situation when P ratio is very low, the price is very low, and you make an investment. This is a very layman's approach, I should say. So anyway, our main discussion was the relation between India VIX and price, and we said that there is a negative correlation between them. Now, in our earlier presentation, I have also said that between say 15 to 25, it is very comfortable to deal in the derivatives market when the Nifty is in Nifty VIX or India VIX is in this range, that is from 15 to 25. Now here I have tried to calculate through a complex spreadsheet, which you will get if you are a pro learner, if you are a pro member of this website. And I have found out that these are the cases. They are not sequential date wise, but these are the cases about 157 days over here, where the volatility ranges from 15 to 25, and this is about 60% of the number of trading days, because number of trading days I consider over here is 250. So 63% of the days, trading days, the market is basically good for the purpose of doing derivatives transactions. I mean, in this case, we are talking of Nifty 50 options. Other days, the more the volatility goes up, the more dangerous it is for the option players. There are about 37% of the days in a year where the market will remain choppy, volatility will be high, and you have to be very careful to do trading in options during this period. My main recommendation over here is that during this type of high volatility, take extreme caution before taking a position, and even if you take a position, do not leave it overnight. You square it off by the end of the day. Thanks for your attention.